Welcome to this step-by-step guide that will show you how to remove the Read More button in WordPress in just a few minutes. In this tutorial, you will learn how to navigate through your WordPress dashboard, locate the element you want to remove, and then delete it with a simple keyboard shortcut. To get started, open your web browser and visit your WordPress homepage. Once the page loads, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen where you will find the login option. Click on this login link to begin the process of accessing your site's administration area. After clicking the login option, you will be presented with various options for signing in. Look for the option that says Continue with Google and select it. Once you click this option, a list of your Google accounts will appear, allowing you to choose the account associated with your WordPress website. By signing in through Google, you can quickly and securely access your site without the need to remember additional credentials. Once you have successfully logged into your account, you will be directed to the WordPress dashboard. Here, locate the Quick Links section. In this section, you will see an option labeled Edit Site. Go ahead and click on Edit Site, which will bring you to the site editor where you can make changes to your website's layout and content with ease. Inside the site editor, shift your focus to the top left corner of the screen. You will notice a plus icon which is used to add new elements to your website. Click on this plus icon to open a search bar and browse through various content blocks and widgets available for customization. At this point, you should see a search bar appear where you can type in specific keywords. Type in the word read, which will quickly filter the list of elements for any items related to the Read More functionality. As you type, WordPress will narrow down the available options to the element you need to modify. Once the list is filtered, locate the element named Read More. Click on Read More to ensure that it is selected on your editing canvas. This action highlights the button and makes it ready for any further adjustments such as removal. Now that the Read More button is active within the site editor, it is time to remove it from your page. To do this, simply press the Shift key and the backspace key together on your keyboard. This keyboard shortcut is designed to delete the selected element immediately, removing the Read More button from your layout. By following these steps, you have successfully removed the Read More button from your WordPress site. Remember that these changes are applied instantly so you can review your page and confirm that the button is no longer visible. This streamlined process is an efficient way to maintain the design and functionality of your website without unnecessary clutter. Enjoy your updated site and thank you for following along with this guide.